Country people, una good evening. Now 4 o'clock, story time don't reach again. School boy don't come back, so now time for Oma to put chair for down for hear the story they were gathered and come. Una sabi say this is the weekend, so when I come back for school, I branch for all corner because tomorrow school no day. Now he be say story for today plenty pass, story too much. But for the story that I want to today, we go first start with the small Congosa timetable way day. We don't hear say small time when on Monday. President Paul Biya going to celebrate number 35 year for chair. That means the 35 year birthday of chair. So now so it will be an organization on Saturday took place. We go also Congo for una how we chief them for Limbe. All the mola them, you know sabi say SDO be tell them say they will make sure say they bring chief on the 3rd of November. They una sabi say palava adjournment, that adjourn the case, that shift up front, that shift up front, they don't shift again. Say the kingmaker them, they go shift on again on the 4th of December. We'll see how the palaver will happen. Concerning that probably a matter, say palaver 35 years in power when a 6th of November, where they will celebrate them. It don't happen. Say they so all the organization committee where they will organize the party that will take place and the celebration. All man don't be done. But one of the most prominent people they will was CPDM. When a section man, when I be the real man way, I be there for the organizing committee. You know they done. We will find out that story for Monday when the birthday took place. For the true story where they done today, we go see what way SDO, Mr. Ingamba Emmanuel Odu. It be tonton for inside Limbe 1 yesterday. We go see the story the way it takes place. How he visit all the small places. The engineering school for my 2 days. How he visit council. How he there for grandstand. We go near that one inside this story. We go come out there. We go bring chief. We will be look how yesterday we been a Catholic church that soul day. Yes, soul means a day for all the dead body them. Yes, it was a day for the dead body. Where they be pray and say, oh man, we don't die. They go pray and say, if you know this, if you see they go road, they go feel prayer. Maybe that prayer if you help shift you for going towards hellfire, they bring you back for God's side. So the prayer be done as prayer for yesterday. We be done for all dead body them. We will come up with that story. We will go for barefoot. Sabi say I be story una for morning time for the sharp AM that. The fire was catched in the Bafoot Girls Dormitory School of PSS Bafoot Presbyterian School. We will see that story today again for the afternoon for near how and how it happened. We will come out there. We will go back to Douala. We will go see that accident where camion versus small taxi. People bend, 2 died, 3 went to the hospital with serious wound. We will check that one, why it happened so and why the accident took place and how it don't like happen. We will come out there now. We will go Yaoundé. Palava fire. There is fire on the mountain, and nobody seems to be on the run. There is fire on the mountain top, and no one is around. Na Cameroon that everyday fire, Limbe fire, Douala fire, Bamenda fire, Yaoundé fire. Ona say hellfire one start na for Cameroon. Don't start being a hellfire small so we don't know. We go see where to be causing fire and why the fire be born and which side be born. We go come up with that place. We go begin go now. We go see how we begin and go school. See school for Cameroon. We dey for West Region day. We go see how the school dey for that type of Bafoussam, just 15 kilometers away from Bafoussam town, central town. See school for 2017, 21st century. We go check out. Now the one in that one work at Tostosh and Masiam. And we go come out there now. We go go to Egypt where story be happen. Say some girl where they call say Doha Shahel. Now that where the presents on show. They don't lock him for prison for 3 years. They don't find him with more than $500 US. We go pay lawyer because he go whole show became the third for the highway. If you leave your master for house, you go carry belly with them outside. So government be check and say na very bad show that. Is that the story for today? I will tell you the details. As I spoke it, the way I can spoke it. The one that I saw it, I spoke. The one that I didn't saw it, I didn't spoke. So if you do a fine thing, I will spoke it. You did a bad thing, I will spoke it. Now maybe FM Bazaar, and there's body brought up. Now that picking way no go school, but no oxygen they no come class. For now I don't come back. I will get to put my back for down. I charge to Mondongo. I clear my throat so that all the story I get I'm going to come out fine. My drink whatever my country people. When I drink I come back. Story start. When I sit down with you. Yes, my back don't touch down. Someone don't go don't touch my throat. Where me say my esophagus, the way they call it for big book. That means that play water the pass. It dey not clean. And when water pass clean, that means the voice go come out clean. That means I am in a yang way now that the story can follow. I hope say oh I don't stop for una chair because I want to learn the story each by each as we come up with one program to go for another. As a story una SDO for FACO, that means the Ogazio for all the other small zero the way they do for FACO. You know, say a yang one way they don't just bring up. So he was working and tontoning and visiting all the small subdivision them that have the small zero them to see how their economic and social work be there. Yesterday we been at the last visiting where we do now for Limbe 1 subdivision when for day it reside. That means na day he said go shidon begin see how we FACO day. So the thing been a very big one because it hammer plenty program them. Hammer plenty problem them and it give plenty advice them for grandstand. If the story Palava chief say they so this Palava chief me they struggle for say me they bring you the chief today. So that me sign up a book say for FACO for Limbe na paramount chief this. But as a story una Sutena, all the kingmaker them, they never see succeed to bring the chief when I go be the paramount chief. That means the general mullah of all the mullahs. So they be postponed and say on the 4th of December where the kingmaker they go gather again to bring the general mullah come present them. So now I go want them to go inside the place the way the SDO, Mr. Ingamba Emmanuel Lodu, be tontoning and be visiting. When I know say they go for different places then. So my brother, when I will see the place the way to go touch and the one the way to be touch am. You see at the pole, national anthem. Oh Cameroon, now they welcome me for grandstand. They sing national anthem, they will sing the song. Then Oma will start attention and then the zona the thought say okay, from here I go tonton. Yes, you see march at the ball, command yes, that's what they do. They're gonna say military take over. Wait, they say they understand. Okay, Oga Pada don't reach. Come fine. You see now, it will come out there. It will start to be greeting people. Then one after each. Now for them, it will come on now start check the places the way the devil limbe. The small institution then. Now see it don't go down now so now for water. For go look say other small canoe them and I ship the way they enter inside don't go. How then they be? So they be showing you all the old ship the way they there, and the young one them. So that means no. Say, now so it happen for ship side day. Explaining the problem the way they ship the first time and how the fisherman then they suffer. Palava Chinese the way they enter follow up fish illegally. Carry fish the way we don't never strong they carry them. So they be story when I see that ship don't what an ship for Africa that too. I don't know. But they be showing say okay, ship na ship. So see the ship you go know how you want to do. They be carrying enter the botanic garden for that place fine flower in there. When I sabi to say botanic garden, it don't default, it goes small. You know the way they be, that way they be just open them. So they be show Mr. SDO, say okay, now so don't be. They carry it, they go show you fine boy. See fine boy they are to SDO. Yes. They be come out there, they be go for that engineering school, whatever my two. They go show SDO say you stand so for Limbe 1. Now so they we get the kind of thing for your technology, the work of here, we teach engineer them, we show them things for do. Where if you make factory tomorrow, if you come out tomorrow, the employer said. But as to the story you saw, small problem, they see they will go for arrange them. Palava this engineering school. So SDO Mr. Ingamba Emmanuel Odu, we see all the small story them. He shake his head. Yes, that I have see it. When I shall go and sit down, I shall start to be checking myself. How I shall be telling the government that okay, Limbe 1, Limbe 2, Limbe 3 is facing this kind of problem. So now the thing that will work at Tonton Siam. Yes. If you work at Siam, so that it will make sure say the result and the solution they go come. Una sabi say the worker will be the worker, the call that worker say the socio-economic and meet your people's store. That means say na worker for check all economic activities and all social activities and for meet up people them where it can for can govern. So because a big chairman is supposed to know all his small people them. So it is shown a sign say SDO can find. Only place as he can find, it will stay fine, it do fine work. Because plenty of them so that they can't start. But before you want to see them, I don't start back. So we shall went and hear the two the SDO instead the story us for a speech where it be one of grandstand. Yes. So where the speech move here to Papa talk. Yes. Because when I say now he be the representative for president for this very particular place. So Papa, give me the speech move Siam.
I want to ask some of our brothers to stop this unnecessary petition. Because these petitions really to avoid all what we are trying to do, to also put an end to this rampant and unnecessary quarrels among our enemies.
Yes, now so it be talk. It be story, the kind story the way when I hear as story and so. It talk how he advise his story like far. He say, I have came here, I want to be telling you people that you shall not put yourself inside 15 them. You shall not put yourself inside small argument them. That man have did this, man have did this. Una should don't down quiet and gather on herself in the one way and see how Limbe and Fako in general can move in the forward. Now the story than that, he advise. Say they so move put yourself for activities. We know the only right petition. Many, we don't write petition. They give small land, we write petition. Yes. Among some of the things them, if we talk say Palava chief. Yes. Palava paramount chief. That means say the general mullah of all mullahs. For Limbe, they give a make sure say Victoria get them. So if we carry the three family them, when they be involved, to give Limbe a paramount there. That means say the general mullah of all mullahs. If we give them time, say if they be serious, maybe they can't see today. But today don't pass because they give a whole meeting now today to choose the chief. But they mullah them again. They say no, we no push this in power. We find some way it will be there, problem no go be. So they be adjourn the case again for the 4th of December. Saying that day where the kings make them go calm, they go sit down, they go choose now the Mbe of General Mbe for Victoria, and then they go show you. So SDO say, Papa, we are bringing you. This is it. Put the power. We will come up with Palava Joe, SDO, and Joe them, we work at visit them. We go enter Palava dying day. That means they say day of the soul. That means day for all thy body. The way Catholic Church, the organizer, for pray for all the departed. That means they will papa them, will picking them, will brother them, and will see that they don't quarrel in a one way or the other, and when they don't quarrel since. Catholic Church because okay, today na day for pray for that thy body. So that yesterday they will come out the whole mass. My brother show image. How they be home mass, they pray for all the thy body them, they give someone the mimbo, top the day, now they for church. They pray the whole mass, they say, Father, the one that they have died, even if there was bad people them, still accept them. We know say you have said that there is no repentance after death. They were just begging you that make sure that all man shall went to heaven. They pray for the one the way they don't already die. They pray for the one the way they die for the Palava strike. They pray for the one the way they don't die since. They come out, they go climb he. When I said this Beringang, for Kali Church Beringang, they have on that he. They climb up. They go there, they go visit the old dead people there, they don't die since. So they go there. So one they be some place they begin a whiskey, some place they be throwing a whiskey for Beringang. So one they put on top. So me they die for them. If you say that their body they come out small. If you take that one cold hard, they be pray for them, they joy holy water. So in a holy way, so that me they die body they do they no check and say they only come there and can do one or two things. So now so they see me end. Where they be do they. So now one the be whole now for Limbe. For Limbe one. Kali Church, Newtown, and other small Kali Church, the way they gather, you see, now charge that. They give that one top bow. If you come over now, you no day, you use the one, you charge yourself. You young yourself, you clear your throat, you went back to your bedding ground. They will not say that one, I just formality, because die and die, when you don't die, you don't go. No die, but you know, they come out, now we check them. Even though some places, they way, we say, will see and say, you want, bad yet. So now, so if they happen for that side, now so if they happen, they go pray for all the die body them, for wash their souls. But you don't mean say you go be bad man because you feel say when you go bad, you die, Catholic Church go come out and other church they go come out pray for you saying that they will die body so that they will forgive you. Now you repent, now they are alive. Now no thief, no shoot man gun, no lie, even though I don't say heart, because some man will still lie, but you can ask and say, no me, I didn't tell him like that. The way we know say after everything we will ask forgiveness for God. We will let that Palava die day. We will enter now serious matter Palava accident for Douala. As I tell you now, say, I don't know whether Cameroon not been a trap or what is happening. Because now we the hala say, Douala tight, Motolo the pass, traffic, they don't operate for Bonaberry, they don't operate for village. But now they don't turn a trap because taxi they don't do overtaking for inside Cartier. If you imagine, say, taxi in the finding of customer way, overtake another taxi, go overtake another taxi, and then enter under Camignon, where carry sand. Inside town, you are on a highway, even a highway, we for understand, say maybe it is speed because the road they loose. But you want inside town for village, for Douala, that means that the taxi man was not a correct one. Maybe you have charged a small bad charges that is making it here to be seen in the some kind. My brother show image, move story them, me they see how it happened. How we Muto Chakara and Daibodi there was death. A two-eye Daibodi there was died there, and another 3 eye body them was took to the hospital that they shall go and treat them because they have wound themselves. You see na motor that motor dey so no say the squeeze and that motor dey so na junction versus taxi versus camion guy in the sharp AM. The taxi was twins. People they was die. 2 people they was die. The other 3 they was went to hospital in the critical way. Where me say see losses for property. Backsman there was boss. Camion was tombolo side and 4 upside down. So when I begin Siam, many will complain. Would they say accident? They will not the green change. Now, Janan they don't come out time for roads for maintain road safety. When I don't bring the accident now inside town. Now who they now will go blame on our government again? On a driver. My brother live and so no nothing for Siam. No nothing for Siam because the accident they run too much. Everyday accident. I don't know why they do the accident so that Mr. Pay Pompier they work because I don't hear complain people they say this Pay Pompier then they so fire brigade people they know they work because it never happen. So now I don't know why because they don't have bomb place, they make accident and the people they work. So that means you know be say that they chop government money for nothing. Siam, now engine saw they bring them for that place. You can't see a taxi move driver, where driver be already 6 feet. And all the other small passengers the way they be involved. See how a camion come out tombolo side and fell down. Now the hospital that way they be carry the one the way they be see their life. They go there. We say we go see whether if we pause the life, make the life no reach for full stop. They put them to come out for that side. So that's all it happen for village for Douala yesterday morning time. So now you are the story when I say not say we get to do something extraordinary. We're not going to do something where plenty parts. It's we that have to solve this matter. It's only we and us. If you there inside the town, you drive the motor in the Nyatika way, in the small way. Yes, you don't overtake anyhow. If you there in the highways, you drive the motor in the Nyatika way. You don't drink nimbo, you don't find money. Now driver that way be the head of a go take customer because of 250, he don't kill 2 people and he said, we don't buy. Because of 250 overtaking. So you want to go your other colleague for front, take 250. Now so it don't happen for your life. We will leave that part of the accident because it don't ever happen. We'll go for another issue where it don't ever happen with Cameroon. Fire. I don't ask myself and be questioning myself. Whether I say Satan wants to be hellfire small for Africa and he don't decide to the charcoal the wizard of hellfire, it will come on with Cameroon because minute by minute it has a burn. Minute by minute it has a burn. We will go for Yaoundé, for Avenue Kennedy, that place where they say computer, phone, camera, other small electronic and TV. In fact, now the general place to market for Yaoundé, where serious fire be cash. A one. My brother show image too. It happened for Avenue Kennedy. That was yesterday as I the story una for evening. As I the story una so that very yesterday, fire be cash was on site. Now they say I don't come back to school. Now I go do my homework. Where I go. I see and say this so. Now so it happen. So now so it happen for that side for Yaoundé. Fire burn. Fire bend and burn. Have them chakara. Aeroplane them. They make so. Now so it happen. As I tell my brother, now so it take place. Fire the whole place. Because of weighty, poor connection of electricity, poor connection, poor keeping of instruments. So as I tell now so the matter, now so it will be say fire loss they become there. Siam. More than 10 stores and they go down, went down flat. And since there was burn, Siam, now completed the now they don't bring away the off. Now completed in that. Since they lost. So they be ask people they be around there, they be tell we say they so there was lost more than 200 million because plenty store there was burn and cargo then that was the day was catch fire. Even the store that was no catch fire, overheat the make them their own instrument them and their own marketing and the burn. When I say phone, computer and other small things then I think they don't like heat. Where if any heat hold them, they just explode. So the place where fire no be reach there, heat be reach there, it's a color to losses in the there. So Safe Pompier they become there, they be try their best because if they don't become early, when I say petrol station, they only around that side. If you want to go from small, maybe now the whole that Avenue Kennedy will touch down. Now you the story when I say if they so when I look out, they want the past electricity cable. Now this very thing I talk and say happen for machine do Kosi. 3 days ago, Palava electricity cable go up, come down. When I look out the way when I enter, you see some people that they fix phone, they work out cigar in and out of the shop. When I know they say that phone, then they're very sensitive for other kind of thing them. You see some people them, they use thing them, instrument them, give them for current, go plug fan and iron for current, go turn. Now other thing them so they make them by accident way, you want to see them, place they don't burn. Now say they happen for Yaoundé. Una sabi say palava burning, no the green stop. We go ship for Yaoundé, go down for Bafut, for go see how we place that they burn. I don't tell una say this so we don't know who the cause am, but this palava burning no start now. Since where this Anglophone problem is start, place that we don't burn. Now we know say place that don't go, so say pikin don't start turn back for school. We know say burning shall not be again. But burning took place on the 1st of November. They work the Yayato November for Bafut, PSS Bafut. Now with fire, they are still finding the men that was Bonham, but they are not yet near them. They are finding where the fire was came from, but they are not yet knew it. So I will show now how they pass Bafut. My brother show Bafut how it take place today. Now PSS Bafut that where fire was catch there. Place that was bomb. Who burn it? We don't know you. Who burn it? We don't know you. Where the fire coming from? We don't know. We don't know you. I said it passed. Mommy them and papa they were picking the neighbor at school. They was fearing. They come up for us to shot. Take on their marks. They go to school say we want to come and took our child them. Then shall not come and die here. The principal be tell them say no. Don't una no mind una ya. People should not mind. Your child them is they fine. The fire have go. We have lost it. So we don't put all things under normal. School go continue. We will change the dormitory. It will be a girls' dorm. Bongon bed they be done bon. Begin and strong them and exercise book them and test book they be done bon. But school because say all things not be under normal way. Where school go continue. Even though they don't burn them, it will still continue. So now so we take place of Bafut. It happens say anyhow, whether na how it happens, school go continue as they be talk for that side of Bafut principal say we talk am. Say yes, fire don't burn, but fire don't burn go. Now artists don't remain where they go sweep them, come up for class. Arrange back the bongo bed them, put them inside the dormitory, and the girl child them shall enter the dormitory back, and then school shall start went in the normal. So they will beg the papa the way they will send the pikin over. They say let the heart should not be scattered because they will take care of the situation. No pikin is soul no go be displaced, so they will protect the pikin and fine. When I say embedded they can intervention, they can intervene to put all things in order. We will come over there now. We continue Palava school. We will go to West region. Yes. We'll go to West region with Bafusam. We'll go see school where they around the Bafusam neighborhood. For this modern generation, that Lewa is a die. If you near the Lewa is a wa. Yes, now red block. That Lewa, they so they be beat that Lewa about 2003. But the story was announced in 2007. Instead of that Lewa for the go from the Lewa kind of back. Yes. Now what I show them, they see how we Lewa for Bafusam side day. That Lewa is really a wa. If you say Yanjaka to this kind of Lewa, if you want that know you, see Lewa. See block them. See only road where they go for Lewa. See roads. Only corner Bafusam. 15 kilometers away from Bafusam. Sinte Beleng. That's the corner place. For the Babilike people, they know the place fine. Now government Balingwa primary school that. You see, understand. Small picking them. Who's the future of Cameroon? Now the leader than that. See play with the leader but tomorrow they should done. Even though now so they be tell you say we go lead. We don't get she don't say now never lead. Now the second one and this one they don't tell them and they go lead. But see who's the she done to prepare the leadership. You see see classroom, no window, class 1 and class 2, then inside one hall. Now if you hold that, inside one tap. They call it tap for Bamenda. See. They don't get a door, they get a space. If rain, see bench them. They don't phone Jengu, see bench them. You see window. Window they like big game. When I know big game time, you know they play fine. That's a window for class day. See zing. If rain before, beginning of the year. Class 1 and 2, then about inside one class. Teacher start put one box for front, put one box for back. For class 1, it teach plus. For class 2, it teach take away. When you write 3 plus 3 equals to 6, you go for class 2, you go put 3 take away 3 equals to 0. All my answer, school work fine. And country continue in a fine way. That's what it happen. Class 4 and class 3 and class 4, now the same thing. You go do na dictation, see na principal office that. Na principal office. Class 3 and class 4 are the same thing. You go do na dictation. You say spare is for class 3. You go for front class. You go say spare was for class 4. They spell them, they mark them, school work fine. Class 5 and class 6 are the same thing. One board for front, one board for back. Now one teacher the teacher. You go put mental drills for class 4. You go for class 5. You go put logarithm. So that we don't learn for that kind of way and country go to work fine. See now road that they go for school. See only road way to go for school. I don't ask myself, my brother, leave my soul. This is a disgrace to Cameroon. This is a disgrace to our government. Because for this kind of century, we're not going to get this kind of school. I don't look at the situation. I don't ask myself, say, where is this really not a war? My friend and tell me say no, my brother, it is Ewa. So now I ask myself, when I say tell me, is it not Ewa or is it Endon? Because when I look that school, I look the road, I ask myself what I did for map. Yes, because if that school be there for map, where they know say that place there for map, that means they don't fix them. Yes. Even if you know them, even if they have a map, maybe the map don't wipe for government delegates. Your own book for map. Maybe the map don't wipe for Bafusam. Maybe the map they don't have a Bafusam. Yes. Maybe the map don't wipe for SGO. Maybe council not even know say that book there for map. Because anything you have a map, no give a biso. If you know say ship this level here, you will go carry and go to it. If you see school like that one for this time, modern time, 2017. If you imagine school that where they build them for 2003, that school don't stay for how many years? Calculate them what? They don't teach me arithmetic. They usually know how many years they don't stay. If you ever go on front, if you ever go on back. For the way the school is show, it shows say by 2020, now the picking level is done on top block. Any man will come school with umbrella because Zingo don't touch down. So the only beg say me the government authority they see them say now say they. We know the only look at the Limbe, we look at the Boya, or Bamenda, we look to the whole Cameroon. Now, whether we go pick that school for Babusam, they Siam, say they so country, no the worker. So that we will begin fix them. Now, the one that will gather on today for inside the country. But before I want go, I will tell you the bad story where it happened. Where Mr. Sef, I look at him and ask myself, who said where to go? Mororo man, don't start your pork, unaha. Woman for Egypt, where they call it, Daho, Shahel. Doha Shahel, that her name they do sabi complicate. That woman whole TV program, let's have a whole TV program here, the story, una fine story so. Begin tell people them, make my life belle. Begin advise young girls how they fit do for carry belle for outside if they don't marry. Begin tell them how sometimes the devil life will just enter inside marriage now for born pikin, leave your master, you don't go back where you don't born your 2 or 3 pikin. Now Egyptian government look and say, chai, this is this kind of thing that they are telling my people them so they call the girl one time. They put in a book, they start investigating. They first suspended for that TV program for 3 months. Then after the story una so, now yesterday, when they passed the last story, say that girl they so, he gave a go for prison for 3 years. Because of bad education. Now bad fashion teaching that. How if you teach girl how to come up with marry hard, go carry belle for outside. Is this why not really getting to a war? My brother show them. Find young girl, no go whole program for teach girl how to beef heart, how to organize cooperation, have a big good girl, have an open company. You go begin the story them. He's talking about German, he's talking about Egyptian, about Arab. Now you are the translator of so. Say they make a scheme. Say you shall make like this and lie your master. And tell your master that I want to went and see my friend. And the way you went, you go and take Benin corner and you went and see a party man. Now about Egyptian they talk and so. If I live a moon a year, I know we are not to talk now. Only me at the year because I'm a story man. That belle on a chance na lie belle na demonstration. That say I think they so in the lab they do a practical. Now, Egyptian government look at that. This is really undone. This girl wants to bat this country. What does this girl want to do like that? They call you one time that stop there. That program stop. Came here. What does she want to do? Now, so they call the girl. They carry the matter go court. The girl say no, not just small lesson. They say for we are madam. You are teaching us bad fashion teaching. You shall went to the Ngasa. Now, so they take the girl. They give 3 years imprisonment. They tell you to go pay $560 something. For the lawyer way if they defend the government, like old salary for say you don't try. So now say how about Egypt? As now here say the way they so the way they turn upside down. My brother live and so no even should they smile. See. Oh no money. I don't know what a judgment they go be now. Then I want to be about last line. So that when the judge I see all the things they come because the judge me go front I no go like them. I want me about back. I see how the judge all man before they reach for me. So that if I reach for me, the people that are not ready and they don't enter. They don't need to judge me again. I get my party men away. If I see girl like that one, it go heaven. And I say, okay, Bale ha, Mrs. Eva go enter. Yes, but if girl like that one go here, I will start asking myself, how God go judge me? So now the thing will happen. As I tell you, I say, the word on is spoil. 21-year-old boy, Nigeria Pekin, where they were UK, catch 12-year-old Pekin, rape him. As I story when I saw, where the show say, if you don't get confused, some 15 years girl, 15 years old girl, he hurt. The girl sending naked picture them. That one a Kongosa story for international way. Now why that way I not go show on a picture and now why that put on a lot. But as ultimately when a bracket, they catch the begin go call the 21-year-old boy, his name is David. They say since you rape na 12 years old Pekin, we'll give you 12 years imprisonment. Now so the thing they happen for that side of UK, the Nigeria beginning so it will start to be saving the ngata for wrongful deeds, because those are the kind of things that we should not do. So now the one that we are gathering about today. For today we will story as a story una from the start to the bottom for the people they come nana so. Now I take water, I drink, I call my chest, and then I go give una the headline how the worker. The story the one story am and the one no story am. So that if you join me now, you go know that schoolboy if you talk today. Now I drink water small first, my people. Country people, now the story that now we gather on today. For today, I be telling you Congo signboard for how they don't prepare for celebrate President Paul Biya a 35 year for cheer the happy birthday of power cheer way. They celebrate them. They don't start make host most jangi the highway. They will make some more enjoyment for that day. But men that now as the story so they don't really start prepare. I be story on the highway, chief them and mula them for the whole Limbe Victoria. They don't adjourn case. So now on the 4th of December, where the kings maker they go come out. Can bring the Nyang Be when I go be the paramount Be. That means the mullah of all mullahs for Victoria. I be story una about SDO Ngamba Emmanuel Odu the Tontoning. This one for Limbe 1 subdivision between the last Tonton where on the Tonton with the whole Fako. So now we go sit down, take a pen, take a book for start to solve the problem the way if you work as with the different subdivision them. As story una how we fire cash over foot, then no man no die. For PSS Bafut Presbyterian Secondary School. Abandoned story when again how a accident will take place for Douala. 2 people died, 3 went for hospital. In the subsequent time we will know how the one for hospital they will last end. A bit story when how a fire, serious fire cash for Yaoundé. Yes, for Avenue Kennedy played at the cell phone them and all electronic business center for Yaoundé. How we get half mile so fire cash for that kind of place, you can imagine. I be story now a school for that side of West region. You know they fine for that side of Bafusam. I will begin the children on top block. 50 beginning level class, then a 2 different beginning 25, then from 1 for class 1, 25 class 2. As to run as soon as I see how the condition will be. I be story on 2 hours the thing they happen for Egypt. How a small young girl go gather on a small girl friend them too, begin lie them. They tell the how they will leave the master for hand, go carry the level aside. Government be vexed and government was catchy and was going lucky. I be also story when I was on small jacka, we go catch some another jacka, wipe them in a by force way, and cut the kashi, give one time, 12 years. Now the story the now schoolboy, we gather and today me Bali brought up, FM Bazo for story una. And I will tell you, I say, any man way enter na, no problem, just wait for 8 o'clock, they will bring back all the story again from start to finish for reference television. As program will go on now so, when I will stay tuned, because next program they come on for line. Now the one that way schoolboy the gather and today, make I go change my uniform, I carry water. Tomorrow na Saturday, no school, I begin work and find in the way they happen for town. We go meet up again only for Monday. But if you join me now, check me again for 8 o'clock for reference television, you will see all the story they were gathered for the week. I thank you now, stay fine, now go chop.